Good morning, dear affectionate students and respectable guardians. Hoping you are well. I am Mushir Rahman on behalf of Ibrahim Memorial Shikha Niketan. Dear affectionate students, in my last class I told you about a topic that's name is sentence connector. Sentence connectors is such type of grammatical topic that will be seen, that is seen in grammar in number 10. Grammatical topic will be this sentence connector topic will be given in number 10. In number 10. So, in my last class or also prior class, I narrated the definition of sentence connectors and the uses of sentence connector, how this sentence connector topic will be set in our question. Dear affectionate students, you are the category of 9 and 10. In our syllabus and curriculum here, this topic is very important for us. Exception in the students of class 9, you have suffering in this topic. Because in my class, I did not have sufficient class to take this topic. For this reason, I would like to give emphasis on this topic. Dear students, dear learners, dear learners, so you have understood that my topic name is sentence connector. This sentence connector topic will be set by a question setter in number 10. In my prior class, I discussed this kind of topic and I told you the ABC knowledge of this topic and the system of applying in our question. How will you find this topic in your question? Unless you have sufficient idea of having or like this pattern of this question, you may not answer. For this regard or in this regard, I wrote here a passage. In that passage, you have already seen there were 5 blanks. How many blanks were? How many students? 5 blanks. And each blank will carry 1 mark. So you have understood that in this 10 number there will be given only 5 marks. So today I have appeared before you with the definition of coordinating conjunction. Dear learners, what do I want to define? I want to define the definition of coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunction is such type of conjunctions that are used to keep relation various types of categories in an independent clause. Do you have any problem to understand my speech, dear students? Respond me. I think you have not any problem because you are habituated enjoying my previous online classes. I want to tell you the definition of coordinating conjunction again. Coordinating conjunction is such sort of conjunctions that are used to keep relation various categories of independent clause. Now, my motive is to discuss the classification of coordinating conjunction. Dear learners, what I want to do? I want to show the definition also and the classification of coordinating conjunction. You remember that in my last class, I tried my best to tell you the uses of coordinating conjunction. Which conjunction? Coordinating conjunction. Previously I discussed the topic of coordinating conjunction and I want to tell you now the classifications or sorts. You will be glad to know that coordinating conjunction is classified into 4. My dear learners, tell me Respond me. 4. Okay, your imagination is correct. Coordinating conjunction is classified into 4. First one, do you see cumulative conjunction? Second one, alternative conjunction. Third one, adversative conjunction. Last one, elatic conjunction. These conjunctions have been derivated from coordinating conjunction. Dear learners, you can ask me a question. For what I want to teach conjunction? In my last class, I told you conjunctions are mostly used in sentence connectors. Have you understood? I think you have not any problem to understand my lecture. I am uttering again. I want to teach you the ABC knowledge of conjunction because our sentence connectors are based on conjunction. If you don't have sufficient idea of conjunction, you may not have any capability of applying sentence connector answers. So, I want to say you, I intend to tell you about the classifications of coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunctions are classified into 4. First one, cumulative. Now, a question may come in your mind. What is cumulative conjunction? Cumulative conjunction is such sort of conjunction that always tells you harness or coupling. Couple means addition. You will understand it easily by remembering addition mean joke, relation. So cumulative word has come from the synonym of harness, coupling or addition. Cumulative conjunction is short of conjunction that gives relation in the regard of harness. Next, another sense. Second classification of coordinating conjunction is alternative conjunction. Alternative means substitute. Like here you may get choice or option. Otherwise, doubt means you may have denying fact. Next, third one, adversative conjunction. Which conjunction? Adversative conjunction. The synonym of adversative conjunction is comparative. That will say comparison. Either this one or this one. Here, opposed. Opposed word has come from the noun of opposition. Hostile. Otherwise, disharmonious. Now, you want to see the categories or the uses of cumulative conjunction. Cumulative conjunction may be used in the sense of and. Suppose you want to see an example, I have written here nor. Nor is the synonym of, for instance, example. She has told me a story. Suppose I have written here a sentence. This sentence bears a testimony before your eyes. She has told me a story. What has been told to me, dear students? What has been told? Story. Here I have given here dash. I have heard. Cumulative conjunction says you to use and. Dear student, you will remember, you will keep in mind that and is always used in the regard of or in the sense of match, similarity or similarity. Similarity means addition. Addition word has come from the verb of add. Clear? Suppose this third person female has told a story that I have heard. Have I responded? Yes, I have responded. So, telling a story has been told as class. hearing this kind of story has been class. So does it say you similarity? So what can I use? Which type of conjunction can I use, dear student? Guess. Okay, your imagination is correct. Which type of conjunction have we used? And this and says that it has come from the cumulative conjunction. Clear? Dear students, have you understood? Okay, I think you have understood from my lecture that and, both, also, etc. are the uses of cumulative conjunction. Cumulative conjunction. Now you would like to hear the example of alternative conjunction. Which conjunction? Alternative mean, can you say the synonym of alternative that has been written? Choice. Suppose you can be taken to market by your mother. After going to market, can your mother not tell you, dear son, you may buy this shirt or this shirt? Which type of conjunction has been used? You may buy this shirt or this. Here what is obviously alternative conjunction. Have you guessed? So, by going to market, your mother, she has given you what? Option. Either you may buy or not. Either you may choice or not. So, this type of conjunction is called alternative conjunction. I have written here an example. Suppose either you or dear student, if I want to give you option, can you search here our conjunction? Is either conjunction. Here you is obviously known to us as subject. Here it is also another part of subject. Here, can you tell which type of verb? Modal verb. Here, principal verb. Here, extension or additional part of our sentence. Am I right? So, I have written here, you have seen here, which sort of conjunction? Which sort of conjunction have I applied? Alternative conjunction. What does this sentence tell you meaning? Either you, either second person or third person can do various type of deed. It means various type of doing tasks. Are we right? Okay. Can we go to letter 1? What's our letter 1 task? Adversative. Dear students, I have told that coordinating conjunction is classified into 4. Already I have discussed, already I have showed the examples of 2. One is cumulative, another is alternative. Third one, adversative. Now we want to see the illustration of adversative conjunction. Adversative conjunction may tell you the synonym of comparative. Comparative means synonym of comparative. Comparison. Comparison. Clear? Which type of words are exceptionally used in adversative conjunction? But, yet, why, only. What do I do, dear student? I am going to writing an example so that you can understand this type of conjunction easily. He has gone to school. Can you guess which conjunction can you use from here? Will you use here but? Yet, while or only? Suppose, read out this sentence, dear student. He has gone to school. Space, I have not come. Going to school It has been completed, it has been done by third person male. What do you see here? First person singular number has not done it. It has been opposed. It has been opposition. Opposition means in our country there is also an opposition party, am I right? Opposition means that only gives you various kind of derivative. Like he has gone to school. You may use here or but. My dear affectionate students, you will keep in your memory that yet, but, while, they may say you meaning of dissimilarity. What does or what do they can tell you? But, yet, while, they may tell you the synonym or the meaning fact of dissimilarity. Like here, dear student, I told you to remember, and always may say you similarity means match. That will be attached. But will say you disharmonious. Harmonium mean relation. Dissimilarity. Here, going to market, it has been done by third person. But this first person singular number has not come here. So we have used here one kind of adversative conjunction, and this you may apply here, either you may use but or yet. Clear? Where can we go now? Dear student, can you guess? Now we want to go to elative conjunction. Elative conjunction can tell you the synonym of imagination. Imagination means intention, kalpana, wishing or desire. Suppose, what can you see here? You may use here, therefore, otherwise, so. In another sense, you may tell here, you may apply here. Oh. Dear learners, have you seen my example? Nor means the synonym of example. For illustration, for instance, I have bought a mobile phone. Buying a mobile phone was done, or my buying a mobile phone is completed. For why have I got? Enjoying online class. So what can you use? Will you use here? Therefore, so or for. In my previous topic of sentence connector, I told you the discussion of concluding sentence. In that conclusion sentence, I told you where for can tell you meaning. For can tell you meaning in the sense of purpose. Purpose means synonym as a result. Falafel. If I want to ask a question, why have I bought a mobile phone, dear student? Dear student, why have I bought a mobile phone? What can be answered? Enjoying online class. So, already you have understood from the speech of your teacher that coordinating conjunction is classified into how many? 4. Like cumulative conjunction, alternative conjunction, adversative conjunction, and last one, elative conjunction. Dear students, in my last class, I gave you one kind of home task, means one kind of passage. How this sentence connector will be set by a question setter in your question. Means it was a sample passage. Which passage? Sample passage. Do you want to see? Do you want to know the answer of sample passage? Dear student? Dear student, do you want to see the sample answer? Sample answer. Means now I want to tell you the solution of previous home task. What do I want to give? I want to give you the previous solution. A passage was given in my last class of sentence connector. In that sentence connector, there was a passage, and the passage name was computer virus. Solution. solution. How many blanks were being given there? 5 blanks. First blank you will use dog. Second blank you will use which. Dear student, in absence of which you may apply here also that. Number C, what can we answer? I think you have completed your SW and you will match between my writing, between my answer and your answer. If you have any dissimilarity, just you will give cross and you will think correctly. Number D, in D, you will also use here. And last one, if the way of writing it, obviously it will be in capital form because it was the beginning. Dear student, already I have given you the solution of previous passage. Now I want to give you home task. You may open your script before your hand and you are going to take your home task from me. Are you ready? Dear students, keep your script before your hand to note down some of SW. Dear students, clear? You may prepare yourself. Dear affectionate students, are you ready with your script? I am going to give you some home tasks. Unless you do your home task, you can't understand, you can't match between your lecture, between your teacher's lecture and your understanding. For the reason I am going to give you some home tasks. You will note it down in your script. Copy one by one. It has been given one passage. A passage has been given to you to practice at home. Within staying at home, you will practice grammar. You know that practice makes a man perfect. Dear students, listen me and copy. Besides copying, you are listening my speech. Practice makes a man perfect. Grammatical topic is a sort of topic that can always help you to be good in grammar. In this regard, you have to practice more and more. I have given here one passage. This passage obviously tells you about an illustration of sentence connector. You will use various types of sentence connectors that has been used today, that has been declared, that has been delivered by your teacher today. Like 4 conjunctions have been discussed: cumulative conjunctions, alternative conjunctions, adversative conjunctions, last one, elative conjunctions. Among 4 conjunctions, you will use 5 blanks. Dear student, will you not be able? I think you have ability. If you understand this lecture again and again. Dear students, after doing this home task, you will know 4 sorts of conjunctions that I have discussed. Besides knowing this kind of 4 discussion conjunctions, you will know another subordinating conjunctions. Means my motive is to discuss subordinating conjunction in my upcoming class. During this pandemic situation or panic, you will stay home and you will enjoy our classes again and again. Dear students, you will be safe and sound by the grace of Almighty Allah, and I am wishing your safety. Thank you very much. Wish for me and wish for the activities of our school also. Okay.